do it differently. You're not going to rebound. People always think, oh, she just likes jumping. No, I like mixing it up because that's where the workout comes from. But we are going to go fast. So whenever you drop down, the shoulders are in the water, you can go a lot faster than what you can with the rebound because that takes more time, right? So it's knees up to the chest, legs opening out, arms moving forwards and back. And no, I'm not doing it at that speed. That's not even challenging enough for me to even have to stop talking because I can still talk this loud to the camera. This is not that challenging, right? It needs to be really quick. Now, my feet are just tapping the bottom of the pool, so obviously I'm not jumping up and down. So it's great for people who might have some joint issues, for example. Also, you want to make sure that the arm goes as far back as you can, yep, so that they get the range of motion with their legs. So this one, because you're down low, it's almost like you're suspended. So this is a great exercise to do prior to people becoming suspended, because they get the movement pattern with the arms they need to do. Yep, push out, tap the bottom, push out, tap the bottom, and think about getting that arm as far back as you can at that speed. And now the heart rate will go up. So it's not really a leg exercise. There is a bit of an upper body exercise to it. It's definitely cardio. It's definitely cardio. The legs are moving through the water, pushing through the water, but not in a way I'd say, down there, a real good quadricep workout, my glutes are working really hard. But it's more about the arms moving at that speed, and it's all about speed. Now, why do speed? Well, we have slow twitch and fast twitch fibers in our body. And not everything we do in our life is done at a moderate pace. There are things that we do quickly. So it's great to stimulate those muscles to get them moving at that sort of tempo. And when you're down low, you can definitely do that in the water. And that's this week's activity. Demonstrating the cross-country ski with knees coming up, you need a tool. Now, if you've got only a chair, you're going to have to turn something side on and demonstrate it like this. Not the world's best demo, but you have to do it that way. Because what you want to do is demonstrate low. So a chair actually works in your favour in a way, because you ask them to drop down. So the way I would teach this in a class, the first thing I say is, everyone bring yourself underneath the water, so shoulders down low, pull your knees up towards the chest, arms stretching out to the front, to the back. I want you to go as fast as you can. So quick, 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 quick. Now, some of my participants who come regularly to my classes are used to the fact that I like a low rebound action, and some of them will take off. That's why I say bring your shoulders down underwater and stay down as the very first cue. And then I go ahead and demonstrate the movement with the legs, and then you're adding the arms. So if you're on a chair, you're doing the same thing. Shoulders down, sit low under the water. You've got your legs moving forwards and back. Pull your knees up. Now add the arms. So you sort of have to do something similar, but being on a chair in some ways is a little bit more helpful because you're demonstrating a low movement pattern. So when you're on the frame, you also need to drop down nice and low. I like using the frame in this position rather than having that bar behind you, because now I can demonstrate that movement quite easily, and I can take my leg as far back as it feels comfortable. Remember what I mentioned in the water, your arm needs to go all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. Fingers need to be open as you're pushing through the water. Now, how do I know how to do this on land as far as where my palms are going? It's because I've had enough experience in the water to know what it feels like to push something. So I'm just replicating on land. If you're always getting confused about which way your palm's supposed to be facing, I don't know, am I supposed to be doing this or supposed to be doing that? Get in the water a little bit more and get a bit more familiar with what it feels like to hold the water and push it through push it as if you're trying to move something that's viscous, which is basically what water is. And then you get more comfortable with that. Remember, fingers open, and that's this week's activity.